Welcome, fellow small business owners. It's a pleasure to have you join us on our PC Social channel once again. Today, we're exploring small business statistics on marketing, data analytics, and cybersecurity gathered from the Small Business Administration, SBA. These statistics can revolutionize your marketing and data analytics strategies. With a wealth of insightful content to come, let's jump right in without further ado. Marketing statistics first up. Let's talk about marketing. It's interesting to note that as of 2023, 15.3% of small business owners are personally managing their marketing efforts. This trend reflects a shift towards self-reliance and a desire for more control over promotional activities. It also underscores the growing importance of digital marketing skills for entrepreneurs. The fact that 56.9% of businesses have an in-house team dedicated to such vital activities is awe-inspiring. It underscores the commitment of small businesses to investing in their marketing strategies. And guess what? A staggering 70% of small businesses are utilizing Facebook as their primary platform for marketing purposes. Additionally, 64% are leveraging the power of email marketing, and 43% are diving into paid search advertising. Clearly, these channels have become firm favorites among small business marketers looking to expand their reach and connect with customers. Email marketing continues to shine as a standout strategy, offering an impressive return on investment compared to other marketing channels. Based on a survey, almost half of small business owners believe that their marketing strategies are successful and yield favorable outcomes. This feedback is very encouraging and highlights the potential of email marketing for businesses. Did you know that 60% of small businesses use content marketing to attract and keep loyal customers? Social media is also a big part of small business marketing, accounting for 75% of their budgets. Wow! That just shows how crucial social media has become in the landscape of modern business marketing. Data analytics next. Let's shift gears and focus on data analytics. The year 2023 saw a significant shift as the vast majority of small businesses, about 95%, adopted technology, including integrating data analytics tools to streamline their operations. The growing emphasis on digital innovation showcases just how crucial technological advancements are in boosting business growth and efficiency. In fact, they play an integral role in almost every aspect. This signifies a significant trend towards embracing technology to enhance business performance. Additionally, it's worth noting that 38% of small businesses with employees utilize specialized software on a daily basis, including software tailored for data analytics. Interestingly, 25% of small businesses have adopted artificial intelligence, using it alongside data analytics to improve their operations and results. Businesses using AI are 12 times more likely to have significant profit growth. 63% of small businesses plan to invest more in data analytics over the next 2 years. Around 50% of businesses use customer data analytics to enhance their marketing strategies and inform their decisions, which is a remarkable trend. This shift towards data-driven decision-making is remarkable and reflects the increasing importance of leveraging data in today's business environment. Cybersecurity now. Let's not overlook the critical issue of cybersecurity. In 2021, small businesses faced 1,037 cyber incidents, highlighting the critical importance of implementing strong cybersecurity measures to safeguard valuable business data and customer information. It's worrying that 93% of cyber attacks are financially motivated, highlighting the pervasive threat to businesses. Furthermore, it is alarming that a majority, 65%, of small businesses attempt to manage their own cybersecurity practices. This is particularly concerning due to the intricate and ever-changing nature of cyber threats. Nevertheless, a staggering 50% of individuals stated that they required over 24 hours to recuperate from a cyber assault. This prolonged period of inactivity could potentially result in detrimental consequences such as financial losses and a tarnished image. General small business statistics. Finally, let's take a moment to look at some general statistics about small businesses as a whole. There are currently around 33.2 million small businesses operating in the US, making up an incredible 99.9% of all US businesses. These businesses employ approximately 61.7 million people, representing an impressive 46% of the private sector workforce. A small business is typically characterized by having fewer than 500 employees. On average, small businesses employ about 11.7% of the workforce. Since 1995, small businesses have created a lot of jobs. They have added 17.3 million new jobs, which is 62.7% of all new jobs during that time. This demonstrates the vital contribution of small businesses to overall employment growth and economic development. Women-owned businesses account for approximately 22% of all employer businesses and employ about 10.5 million individuals. This highlights the notable influence of women in the field of entrepreneurship. More women leading businesses signal a positive change in the economy and show that women are increasingly influential in driving business innovation and growth. These statistics provide invaluable insights into the trends and challenges small businesses face today. Remaining well-informed is essential for achieving success in today's competitive environment, whether it's about marketing strategies, data analytics methods, or critical cybersecurity practices. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and strategies for your small business to succeed. We look forward to seeing you next time.